Baka! Baka! I got bird flu! This documentary was filmed by Casey Triplett. The one over here, Baka, is my sister Bailey. And the one over here, Baka, it's Andrea Triplett. She is also my sister. And she has a muddy knee. And she has wet pants. Baka! Now, number 1. 3 ways to get bird flu. A, Baka touching. 2, Baka kissing. 3, Baka flying with birds. Baka! Baka. The end. The end. Both of these people are dead from the bird flu. Goodbye.